How to recover your WorldRemit account password. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can recover your WorldRemit account password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to recover your WorldRemit account password, all you have to do is just go to worldremit.com and then you're going to be able to see this type of interface. Once you come to worldremit.com and then you see this sort of interface, what you basically want to do is on the top right hand side you'll find this option known as login. You want to make sure to just click the login option here. And as you click on the login option, you will see this sort of interface again, where you just need to select this option known as forgotten password, reset it here. So all you have to do is just click on the forgotten password option. Now over here you can see, just enter the email address of the account that you forgot the password of and then just click on the continue button. And as you click on the continue option, you can see an email with the password reset link has been sent to this specific email. So all you have to do is simply open it up and then you need to just go ahead and then actually log into your email. Once you log into your email, you're going to see this type of interface where it says password reset request. Open it up like this and then here you'll find reset my password link. You want to make sure to just click on it. And as you click on reset my password, it will take you to the page where you can simply create a new password without having to remember your old password. Click on the continue, reset your password and come back to the login page, log in using the new password and you should be good to go. This way you can recover your WorldRemit password. Hope this video was very helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.